adding on to some of the comments that Greg had Flintco's successes, post acquisition, and again, as he said, it's a journey. We're very early in this, and 10 to 20 years from now, maybe Greg and I can have that conversation and maybe say it's a success and sleep better at night. But the start has been very good. It's been exciting for us. I like the slide of the conqueror versus the conquered, and when you think of acquisitions, that's certainly when you're the one that gets acquired, i.e. Flintco. Going into this, there was a little bit of thought that, hey, that might be the case, but I would say it has not. The best practices that Greg just went through really was, it was just amazing to sit there and say, because we have competed against Alberici over the years, and to be able to say, okay, they have 100 years of experience, and so do we, and to have those teams and us work together, tirelessly for 8 months on top of doing our day jobs. But what a great experience and opportunity it was. And there was those aha moments all the time of, oh, I like that. So, we've adopted that at Flintco and vice versa, Alberici. So I think both companies have really prospered from that, and that process changed it that we didn't feel conquered, as we felt empowered and really feel like we're excited the direction that we're going. So, within the company, we talk about just a couple things, the new market sector opportunities. We have Flintco people that are already working on new market sectors that we would not have had the chance on some Alberici projects, which is exciting to them. We have people working on billion-dollar jobs, which we would never have fathomed that at Flintco. So it's really generated some excitement within the company. The implementation of Arrowhead Academy is one of the things. Employee development was not a strength at Flintco. It was on-the-job training. It was emphasized and talked about, but we didn't really have a plan. So leveraging the strengths of Alberici and their path, we've developed the Arrowhead Academy, which is an online training program, the first program that we have that's available to every single employee. All 750 people have access to it, which was a huge change for us. In addition to other training that we do, so it's so that's generated excitement within the company. The best practices, I already talked about that a little bit. The shared services, IT, we've had immense improvement. Greg talked about an investment in Flintco of our IT services and infrastructure is much better. Our risk management is better, so we have multiple improvements there that again has made us strong, and they're shared services for both companies. It's one and the same. So we refer to them as not Alberici's services or Flintco services. They're just shared services for both entities. And then our current projects, we've got better discipline. And we'll say maybe we're flamboyant, we're nice, and some of that. I guess flamboyant is not the right word, but we're nice, and we joke at our meetings. We meet, we eat, and we talk about family and football. And Greg's taught me a little bit about hockey, so I'm getting better at hockey. I grew up in Oklahoma, so we talk football, but I'm getting there. I'm following that a little bit. But so with that, then they've given us really better discipline, though, of combining the personalities of both companies, and we're teaching you guys a little bit about football as well as you're following that. I know Peter talks now that he gets on the calls we have every week, and he's talking football with us, and since we won the OU Stadium, he's really following the Sooners as well. So we're converting him a little bit, and then execution, a flawless execution. That was probably something that we were good, and we thought we were great, but we weren't, and so we really have seen that from Alberici, and that's something we're continuing to implement in our organization, and it's a never-ending process. That's the other thing, is you're only as good as the last job, and so that flawless execution is something that we're continuing to work on. And then the last thing, just adding, the garage Greg talked about. We've had a couple other projects recently. One in Arkansas that we had regional experience, we had client experience, but we really didn't know anything about the job. Alberici had the industrial expertise, and combined, we won that job. Neither of us would have won individually, but we won together. So it's great to see those successes, and I know we'll have many more over the years.